Welcome to JK Marble Maintenance, Los Angeles, providing expert marble restoration and maintenance. On floors, countertops, showers, and more, JK Marble Maintenance has been serving the Los Angeles area for over 25 years. Onyx marble is a beautiful and distinctive natural stone that's a form of calcite rather than authentic marble. Here are the key characteristics. Appearance and properties. Features stunning translucent bands in colors ranging from white and cream to honey, amber, green, and even deep browns. Has a smooth, polished surface that can be backlit to create dramatic glowing effects. Typically softer than granite but harder than genuine onyx, which is a form of chalcedony. The banding patterns are formed by mineral deposits that have accumulated over thousands of years. Marble shower restoration services. Marble shower restoration is a professional process designed JK Marble Maintenance, Marble Restoration and Maintenance Los Angeles to restore damaged marble surfaces in shower environments. The company specializes in marble restoration and polishing, marble shower restoration, tile and grout cleaning, marble sealing and repair, stone restoration services, common marble shower issues. They address etching from acidic cleaners, hard water stains and mineral deposits, soap scum buildup, loss of shine and luster, scratches and surface damage, grout discoloration. K Marble Maintenance Epoxy Floor Services. JK Marble Maintenance delivers premium epoxy floor installation services throughout Los Angeles County. We are a family-owned and operated marble maintenance service company providing epoxy floors. Travertine Floor Services Complete Guide. Travertine floor services encompass professional cleaning, restoration, polishing, and sealing of this beautiful natural stone. Here's comprehensive information about travertine floor services. What is travertine? Travertine is a widely available natural stone found in many homes and properties worldwide. It is a warm and inviting material that is neutral in color, earth tones, and works with any home's theme. Residential travertine cleaning, Los Angeles. While marble is limestone that has been changed under extreme heat and pressure and is very hard, travertine is a soft sedimentary stone formed in mineral springs. JK Marble Maintenance's skilled technicians provide diamond honing, cleaning, sealing, polishing, marble crystallization polishing, and cleaning of polished marble, limestone, granite, and slate, as well as restoration, cleaning, and repair services. With years of experience and a passion for preserving the natural beauty of stone, we provide unparalleled craftsmanship and attention to detail for residential and commercial clients. Marble worktop restoration and polishing vertical bar Athena Stone Care. Comprehensive marble countertop services. Professional restoration services. We specialize in honing, polishing, and repairing marble floors, countertops, and walls. Our expert technicians can remove scratches, etches, stains, and other imperfections, restoring your marble to its original splendor. Marble Island Restoration and Polishing Vertical Bar, Athena Stone Care. Diamond honing, cleaning, sealing, polishing, marble crystallization polishing, marble, limestone, granite, slate restoration, cleaning, and repair. Complete restoration from damaged surfaces to high-gloss finishes. Polished concrete services. JK Marble Maintenance provides the following concrete services. 1. Grinding. 2. Stain and dyes. 3. Repairs. 4. Polishing. Call today 818-984-1195.